The vaccine has been well studied in the 12 to 15 year age group. The manufacturer did a clinical trial comparing people who were vaccinated with those who were not vaccinated and showed that the vaccine was both effective and safe. The data from this study then were shared with a committee of independent scientists for the Food and Drug Administration, and those scientists recommended the authorization of vaccine. Then, a committee of independent scientists who work with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also reviewed the evidence, and they recommended that the vaccine be given to adolescents. And this process is exactly the same as the process that is used for any other vaccine. No corners were cut. In addition, we have substantial experience with this vaccine and the older adolescent population, those who are between the ages of 16 and 18. In the United States so far, there have been over 3 million people in this age group who received at least one dose of vaccination, and 1.5 million who are fully vaccinated without any evidence of adverse effects.